Welcome to the lesson number 4 of the SYSMAC Studio. In today's session, we are going to learn how we can make a latch on or hold on logic. Hold on logic is a very simple basic logic in which we can hold on an output once an input is triggered. This output will remain on even if we turn off this input. To turn off this output, which is now latched on, we have to trigger another input. So let's delete this timer and this counter block, and we will cut and paste this output coil in the first network. Now as you can see that if we turn on this input, it will energize this output. Now we have to hold on this output. To hold on this one, to hold on this output once we turn on this input, we have to use the normal open contact here in parallel of this input, so that once this output gets energized, this anode contact also closes, and this anode contact will make a path to latch on this output Y0. So we will insert here a branch, and for this anode contact we will use this Y00 coil address. So now once this output is energized, this contact also closes and it will complete the logic path from this side, and this output remains on even if we turn off this input push button X0. Now once it is latched on, there is no way to turn off this output. Now to turn off this output, we have to insert a NC contact of another push button. The physical contact of this push button is NO. That's why in the program I'm using this NC contact. And this contact will link here with the X01 input. Ladder logic is completed. Go online with the PLC and try to download. As you can see that if I turn on this X0 input, it has latched on the Y0 output and it remains on even if I switch off this input X0, because the logic path is completed from this NO contact through this NC contact of another push button. Now let's turn off by triggering this input X01. As you can see that as soon as I trigger this switch X01, it turns off. This contact opens and it breaks the logic path, and this Y0 output goes off. So that's how we can make a hold on logic in the PLC ladder logic. So that's the end of the today's session. Till next time, take care and see you in the lesson number 5.